In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Perplexity AI research tool efficiently. This powerful tool can significantly enhance your research productivity, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident in navigating its features to gather high-quality information quickly. Let's jump right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Perplexity AI website. Familiarize yourself with the homepage, which is your gateway into accessing Perplexity's capabilities. Whether you're using it for academic research or general information gathering, the layout is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Once you're on the site, it's time to create a new thread. Think of this as your workspace or digital notepad where all your research and Perplexity's responses will be organized. Starting a new thread keeps your projects distinct and clutter-free, making it easier to revisit previous work when needed. Next, navigate to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the message bar. Here, you need to click on the Research option. This setting is crucial as it enables Perplexity to understand that your queries are more in-depth and focused on obtaining comprehensive responses. It's the difference between a cursory glance at information and a deep dive into the topic of interest. Now, type your query into the search bar. The key here is to be as clear and specific as possible. Detailed queries help Perplexity hone in on the most relevant and precise information, essentially cutting down on noise and enhancing the quality of your results. Whether it's a complex scientific question or a specific historical event, specificity is your best friend in obtaining accurate data. As you go through the responses, don't hesitate to use follow-up questions and refine your queries. Perplexity AI thrives on interaction, and by continuously narrowing down and focusing your questions, you can zero in on the exact information you need. It's an iterative process that can yield impressive depth and breadth in understanding. After gathering the information you need, it's important to organize your findings. You can easily copy Perplexity's responses into note-taking applications like Notion, Google Docs, or even Excel. These tools allow you to create structured repositories of knowledge that you can access anywhere, anytime, and are especially useful for sequential research efforts or collaborative projects. Additionally, if you're working on papers that require strong academic backing, Perplexity AI can generate citations for you. This feature is indispensable for ensuring your work is both credible and properly referenced, adhering to the integrity standards of academic and professional writing. With these steps, you're well on your way to utilizing Perplexity AI to its fullest potential. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use these techniques, the more adept you'll become at conducting efficient and thorough research. Happy researching, and thanks for joining us today.